Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Stay with Beauty. So in this video I gonna create this look, and today's video is all about one brand makeup products which is Rimmel London, and I will mention all the products detail on screen and other are in description box, so don't forget to check out below. So without further talking, let's begin. In first, I'm using micellar water for removing excess oil and removing any makeup product if they are on your face. Micellar water that I'm using is for dry skin girls. You can also find its other formula that is for oily skin girls, and this micellar water is so good. The second thing I'm gonna use is moisturizer. Here I'm using Nivea hydrating cream. So if you are confused that which cream is best for your skin, so trust me, Nivea with dry combination skin works best. You can definitely close your eyes and pick up this moisturizer for your daily routine. But if you have oily skin, then go with lightly moisturizing cream but still hydrating cream. Then I have these two eyeshade palettes, and the Crimson Edition palette have very warm tone shades. So for my eyebrows I use this palette, and here I gonna pick this shade right here and lightly fill in my eyebrows. You can use any eyebrow pencil, eyebrow pomade for your eyebrows. Then you can also use any eyeshadow like brown color eyeshadow or coffee color eyeshade according to your hair color. Then I'm using Stay Matte foundation, and here I'm using this foundation as a concealer because still I have no concealer from this brand, and I'm defining my eyebrows. And for this part use very small and flat brush so you can do easily this part. Then I'm taking my buffing brush and blend my foundation very nicely. Here I'm gonna finish up the other one off camera and will be right back. Then give back with the eyeshades. I also set my lids with pressed powder off camera. For eyeshadow today I'm using this palette. So firstly I'm taking this shade for my crease, and for this part I'm using the brush from the same palette and will nicely blend it. Next I'm using this shade for my brow bone and for my tear duct. I'm using this shade as a highlighter. Next I'm using this shade below the transition shade, and for this part I'm using this type of brush. You can also use your finger. All the shades of this palette is so intense, and now I'm placing this green color in outer corner of my eye, in outer third, and here I just placing color, also bringing them slightly in my crease. Here I gonna blend everything nicely with the same brush. Here I'm using the same brush, and we will also slightly blend dark green color and light green color together. And for my base I blended both of my foundations together and make them closer to my skin tone. And for my face I'm just using this foundation because this foundation is full coverage and I don't need any concealer. Usually I apply my foundation with my warm fingers, but today I'm using my beauty blender. Here I want to share my trick that I usually do with this foundation for very natural look. You can use it on damp face. Usually for summer days I apply very light amount of this foundation on my damp face and it's look very natural. Here on the other side of my face I'm using brush for applying this foundation. After that I will use beauty blender to blend it very nicely. and trust me, this foundation is so good for oily skin girls, especially in summer. But for dry skin girls, you will be firstly apply a lot of moisturizer, I mean full moisturizing cream or a serum to apply this foundation nicely and non-patchy, otherwise it will be patchy on your face. And for highlighter, I'm using Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter. Liquid highlighters are very good for dry skin girls. And here I'm applying a highlighter on my high points. And for setting my face or my base, I'm using Rimmel London Stay Matte press powder. Here I'm using bronzer to give my face some dimension, because after any foundation our face seems flat, so we definitely need some warm shades to define our face. Now I take some powder highlighter on my liquid highlighter to make my highlighter intense. It's all up to your choice, but personally I like more intensive highlighter and more glowy face. So usually I put powder highlighter on my liquid highlighter, so this way it's look more intensive and more glowy face. Here I am going with my all-time favorite blush. This is Found Blush in shade 07. It looks super natural on your cheeks, and your cheeks like pinkish rosy. It looks so beautiful. Here you can see how stunning the highlighter, bronzer and blush on is. Here what I gonna do is to fix all the things on place like powdery products, powder, bronzers, etc. with my damp beauty blender. This way your makeup becomes long lasting. Now this is the most stressy part for me to put eyeliner on, so I really do it off camera. Here I just followed my lash line and create a small wing with the straight line. Here I just add a small wing. You can also add a dramatic long wing. Inshallah, I hope it will be not stressy for you. Now I am using Shake It Fresh Rimmel London mascara. And now to define my lower lash line, I am using the same shade. Firstly I put a light green shade, parrot shade. Then I take a dark green shade and follow the line of my lower lash line and blend it nicely. Now the most favorite part, put eyelashes on. So for my eyelashes, I'm using Estee London eyelash adhesive. Now what we're gonna do is to put eyeliner on the band of eyelashes to hide the white part of my lashes. Here I'm putting mascara on my lower lash line. This way your eyes look bigger and open. Here I have 4 shades of red in Orbo lip liner pencils. Now I am taking one of them and line my lips, and I'm not doing all lines, I'm just following my lip line. And now for lips, I have there 2 liquid lipsticks. One is Stay Matte and second is Stay Stain. So here I'm using Stay Stain formula. Both the formula of these liquid lipsticks are so good. I just don't stop myself to put these liquid lipsticks on my lips daily. So here I finish my look. I hope you guys love this look. And if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and like video and share with your friends. And please leave small requested video in comment below. And stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.